I just bought my wife a new Telluride. I'm picking up rocks. Don't want her getting rock chips. Obviously, we're not going to take the time to pick up all those rocks. We'll never finish. There's a way better way to prevent rock chips. Let me show you. That's why we have paint protection film, and you are not alone. The owner of this Mustang here also worried about rock chips. So we're going to install paint protection film on the front end of this car, as well as the rocker panels, which are the lower sections of the doors, and below that, the owner of this BMW wanted the front end of the car done. This other BMW, the front end of the car done. A lot of people will want their entire vehicle done, which is what we're doing on this Model S. Now, by the time we're finished with a job like this, you'll never know that there's film on it. All right, so you've made it this far. That means you're obviously concerned with rock chips. Finally, there's something you can do about it. How do you do it? Well, we've made it really easy. Click the link below. It'll bring you to another page that'll give you all sorts of more information, some of our pricing availability. More importantly, it'll give you somewhere to put your contact information so that we can reach out to you to go over fitment, coverage options, pricing, availability. We would love to help you. We'll talk soon.